Good day, sir. This is our basic calculator algorithm flowchart. It shows the step-by-step progress from the start of the program until the end. So let's start. First, the program asks for the first and second number. If you type something invalid, it will ask you again. Next one, you will choose an operation, whether it's add, subtract, multiply, division, or modulo, using the uppercase or lowercase letters. If it's not valid, it will ask you again. If you chose division or modulo and the second number is 0, it will ask for another number to avoid errors. The program will then shows the result and it will ask if you want to try again. If yes, it will repeat, and if no, the program will end. Thank you.